Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit pages in Shopify. So simply you can check here some products pages. So simply just select all and now click on edit. So here you can see here we can change the prices, like I'm typing this. You can also customize it according to your need. So finally, after this, click on save button. Now just you have to check that all the pages have been edited. So now in the similar way we will go to collections, and now here we will select all pages. So category wise you can edit all pages at once, and you can also add some options here. Now click on save. So here you can see how we can easily edit all pages in Shopify.